What's up guys, it's Julia, and today we're going to be solving 3x3 systems using the elimination method. So here we are given a 3x3 system right here, and we're definitely going to label these. We have 1, 2, and then 3. When we see this, we're going to attack this by grouping 1 and 2 together, and 1 and 3. So we're going to write separate, the same equation, but twice. 1 with 1, 2. You see that? Okay. And then another with 1 and 3. Just rewriting the same equation. Okay, so here you notice, since we're going to solve with the elimination method, plus z and minus z, they cancel each other out. Now we're going to just bring this down, now we are going to add the sides. So 2x plus 6x, we get 8x. And then we have minus 2y equals 15 plus 35, which is 50. And same goes for here. We have plus z and minus z. They cancel each other out, and we're going to add the x and y variables together. Straight down. We have minus 2x plus 5y equals 15 minus 14, which is 1. Now you see these two equations. We're going to group them together and kind of go into 8x minus 2y equals 50 minus 2x plus 5y equals 1. So you see here, we took a 3x3 system and made it into a 2x2 system. So now we are going to use the elimination method. We see the x's, they fit nicely together, 8 and negative 2. If we multiply this side by 4, so we get minus 8x, that's going to cancel that 2x right there. It's going to cancel both of the x's. So we're left with only y's. So we'll just write it down. We'll move it over here for this sake. For showing our work, 2y equals 50. Then we have minus 8x plus 20y equals 4. As you see, we're going to show that our 8x's are going to cancel, and we're left with y's. Now we can add the y's together, leaving us 18y equals 54. See, now we can just solve for y. Divide 18 on both sides. Let's see. We're given that y equals 3. Once we get a variable down, I'm just going to give it a little cloud. I'm not going to circle it because we don't know if that is correct or not. I'll show you a cool method on how we can check our work on this nifty T Inspire CX. Now we need to look for x. What does that equal? So in order to find x, we can refer back to this equation, 8x minus 2y equals 50, and find what x is by inputting our y. So now we have 8x minus 2 times 3 equals 50. 8x minus 6 equals 50. Always show your work, guys, even if it seems a little silly. Now we're going to divide 8 on both sides, and we're given x equals 7. Again, we don't know if this is actually true or not, so we're just going to give it a little bubble right here. Now, here's for the fun part. We're going to solve for a third variable, which is z. If we go back to 1, right over here, we'll write it down here. So if we refer back to our first equation given, we have 2x plus y plus z equals 15. So let's input our two variables that we solved for. 2 times 7 plus 3 plus z equals 15. We have 14 plus 3 plus z equals 15. 17 plus z equals 15. Subtract 17 minus 17. We are given z equals -2. Okay, we are going to cloud this. Now for the fun part, we are going to check our work. So if we refer back to these three equations, go to our Spire, there is a nifty program on here that allows us to, that basically solves this whole thing without having to show algebraic work. If we go to menu, then you go to 3, which is algebra, go to 2, solve system of linear equations. Here you see a number of equations. We can just delete that, get 3, press enter. Now we are automatically given x, y, and z. You don't have to touch that part, you're good. So just copy your equation, 2x plus y plus 7, z equals 15. Go down. We have 6x minus 3y minus z equals 35. And then we have minus 4x plus 4y minus z equals -14. Quickly make sure that you transcribe this correctly. 6x minus 3y minus 7, z. Okay, click enter, and we are given 7, 3, and -2. Okay, did x equal 7? Yes, x equals 7. Does y equals 3? Yes, and z equals -2? Right over here. So as our final answer, we're going to go over here and just write down a list. X equals 7, y equals 3, and then z equals -2. And we are going to box that, and that is our final answer. Good job, guys. I will provide some more equation practice in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Feel free to play this video again if you are having trouble with it, and comment if you have any more questions. I'll see you guys later.